Okay, guys, so this is Kelvin here. I've already taken these positions on Euro USD, Euro GPY. I'm in a buy, um, and that's kind of like this because the DXY, which is the dollar index, is very bullish from the daily time frame perspective. So I'm looking to see the dollar index pushing up to taking out this level of high here, lower high here, kind of coming up here. As we can see, we see this internal lower high here has been broken and retested, kind of, and price is pushing up. So I want to see price targeting the next level, which is this area, or even further push up to somewhere here. So this means the dollar is looking pretty good in terms of strength after being weak for the latter part from the latter part of 2025 last year. So let's see if tomorrow's NFP is going to be able to strengthen the dollar more, or what will happen. There's still a lot of hours to before the news event will come, but the news is going to really determine the direction, whether the dollar is going to push up to somewhere here and then totally reverse down and continue being bearish. Yeah, so we have to see. So if the dollar is looking strong, that translates into my trade on USDJPY. USDJPY is also going to be strong, going to be bullish, and from the daily time frame, it looks good already. So from the weekly time frame, I think we are good. We pushed up from down here to up here, and then we got a little bit of retest. Then we got price bottoming up here, and then this first week of the new year is did a retest a little bit, wicking down and then trying to push up. So is NFP going to push price up to somewhere up here? We live to see. We have to see if the NFP is going to push price up here or is going to totally drop price to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at. But I have a position from the 30 minutes. I have a position here on the just a smaller lot size, and I'm going to be holding this position from now till the news event is released tomorrow, and see whichever way is going to go. The lot size is very small, and so I'm not worried at all. And if the dollar index is strong at this point, leading to the news in some hours, let's say 20 hours to come, and then the GBP USD should be looking weak, should be going bearish, should be telling us it wants to go down. So I've taken a position on GBP USD. I'm selling, and then I'm also selling Euro USD. Euro USD. I'm also selling Euro USD. So I'm kind of right now making about 30 bucks, and I'm definitely going to close some of the positions and just leave 0.01 or 0.02 lot size, and just allow it to run till the news event is released, so that in that way, I mean, if it decides to reverse or something like that, it's not going to affect the account in any way. But if it decides to continue the directions that I'm already taking the trade, then that would be good, because even on the smallest lot size with news event, this account could just blow or grow up. Even on 0.01, 0.02 lot size, it could just move up with something to move up to something $20, something like that, each on 0.01. And then this account could probably maybe grow up to something like 200 bucks, or maybe over 150, 160, 170, because I'm looking to grow it little by little and then see where I can take it to. So I started this account on $100, and right now, from the first day, the trades that I took, I'm making 17 bucks right now, which is a little bit of 1.7% or 17%. Is it 17% or 1.7%? It should be 17%. Yeah, 17.5%. Yeah, of growth right now. So I'm going to close some of the profit along the way, and then just allow it to see in the second set of trades that I'm taking right now. So this is the update I have for gold. Yeah, I think gold is marinating with this area of sellers or resistance here. From the 4-hour time frame on gold, we can see that we have the last lower high here was here on gold, pushed up. We have that area retested, price pushed up, made a resistance point here, and then we break this area. Then we see at New York session today, the market just pushed up to retest or kind of correct this whole break of this previous low point here on the 4-hour. On 1 hour, we can see things much more clearly. So we can see the 1 hour looks like we're in an uptrend, and then the last important lows somewhere here, or even internally here, we see a break, a push up, we see a second break, a push up, making this current resistance area, and then a break again up, and we see another break, which means if price is to break above this current area of sellers where price New York session push price to, there's a likelihood we will have more buys to the upside. We'll have price buying to the upside. If price is to push up and close above this area of sellers, we'll have buyers being in control above here, and price has a likelihood to push up, lead in the news tomorrow. But if price stays like this and get resisted as sellers are active here, price as price is breaking this area of support where previously buyers were here, price crashes this area of support here. If I extend it up to the area here, we can see buyers are here, price breaks this area, then under this area there was a move from here down to this area, so sellers are going to be taking charge up to this point. Okay, and I believe that if that happens and price pushes down here, even in Asia session, London session leading to the news event in New York session, London overlap, I believe that price is likely to break these lows and probably target this lower point area here. Okay, lower point or this gap here in the news. So it's looking good. It looks like we were bullish and now we are looking kind of bearish, but we still need price to give this break below this support, internal support here, and break below these lows to be more certain that price wants to dump. So let's see, on the 30 minutes, gold is looking good. It looks like we have like this two doji candles, and we have a bigger 30 minutes candle breaking them, and currently price is breaking, has broken this small support here. We see price is trading under the support right now, but maybe this candle or the next couple of 30 minutes candle, one of them each way, might have to push up into somewhere this gap here, wick through and fill this gap, and then maybe drop or reject down. If that happens, and we see a rejection and price keeps being bearish, I'm going to look to even take an early sell entry on gold from this area, and then hold it, put just stop loss a little bit above here, risk on 0.01, 0.02, and then allow it to run through to the news event and see what is going to happen. Yeah, but for now, I'm just going to allow gold to make the all the structures that it's going to make. So we can see on the 15 minutes we really had price pushing up. We have a lower high, another push up, we see a low, small support in the middle here, a push up break of that support. Currently the main external lower high on the 15-minute is being tested and price is trying to break it. So if it successfully breaks it, then we will have to look for a retest or kind of a correction back up into this area of imbalance or something like that. And once we get another break or another drop, we should be good to go on the 15 minutes. So it's kind of trying to still work around giving us the structures. So which means I don't need this high to be taken out. This high shouldn't be broken. If this high is not taken out to up somewhere up here, then we'll be good. That gold is likely going to be bearish, even leading to the news, and the news might give it more direction to the downside. But we are still looking to be watching closely to see what is going to happen on gold. Yeah, so daily time frame, it looks like we broke this high, all-time high up, and price dropped back to kind of retest the all-time high and pushed up, but it is currently struggling, failing to give us a new higher high. And if it stays like this, and does not, this daily, today's candle does not reject to push up, and it stays like this, maybe closes bearish, then tomorrow's candle is very likely to crash, drop, push price down, which means we have a new lower high, and we will have to target this lower lows somewhere here. Let's see, but there's still a high possibility gold is a more bullish pair. And sometimes if the dollar is even strong, you will see that gold will also be strong, be buying. So it doesn't matter. But let's see how it's going to be. Yeah, so that's it for updates from my side. That's it for updates from my side. That's it for update from my side. My trade is making 30 bucks, 31 bucks. Yeah, okay. I'll check in again. Thank you so much for watching, and if please you can make comments. If you have questions, just let me know and I'll do my best to respond to them. Thank you.